everybody's reaction is they just can't believe it. You know, they always want, the first question, who did this and where did you get the product?
You know, when people first see it, they, no matter where they are, they all do the same thing, and we get kind of a little chuckle out of it. They have to come up and touch it. We lean toward this product for a lot of reasons because of the way it would age in place. The look of it was more authentic. It had the scribing. It had a lot of options that gave us the look really of a cabin, kind of a homestead look, and that was really what we were going for.
What I really liked about the interior was, because I've had some experience with actual barnwood, and you just really couldn't rub your hands on this stuff because you get splinters, but with this stuff you don't get any splinters. And how tight it is, because we had a discussion with the builder, do we want to do tongue and groove or do we want to not have tongue and groove, and we'd get some gapping. And it seemed, to me, it looked better, and it insulated better, just everything about it.
Barnwood is very expensive. If you go try to buy reclaimed barnwood and then to reuse that in a project is, the consistency and whatnot. But to see the finished element like this, they cannot believe that we were able to acquire so much barnwood, put this project together. They have no idea, what they're touching, what they're looking at. They think it's what it looks like, which is something that's been there for years and years.
We didn't want something that had a new look to it, and I thought that's what we're going to end up with. But once we started looking at this product, it's like it really looks like aged barnwood, something you'd pull out of an old barn.